Alright, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video, we're going to be going over Fundrise and its different account levels, okay? So I just briefly want to go over them with you. That way you guys have an idea of what type of levels, what type of plans they have out there. So the starter level is basically a $10 initial investment. Then the next one would be the basic, which is at $1,000. And then we go to the core, which you have more abilities to customize your portfolio, things like that, at $5,000. Then the advanced level, which is $10,000 plus, and then the premium level, which is $100,000 plus, which is typically reserved for the accredited investors, which have huge cash accounts or are highly liquid. All right. These are some of the features that are offered with each account level. All right, as you can see here, the separation basically starts from the basic all the way to the premium. All right, so as soon as you reach the core, it becomes a little more interactive because you get to customize your portfolio, whether it be you select a supplemental plan, a growth plan, or a balance plan, which is a combination of the supplemental and the growth. So as you go higher up in the tiers here, you'll start getting more access to higher institutional grade investments, and then you'll be able to join teams and things like that. All right, offerings, so they all offer registered products. You see here, one distinction right here is the Fundrise Ipo. All right, so this allows you to buy ownership. So take a stake in Fundrise. So in any event, let's say they were to go public, that could be grounds for major returns, guys. All right, so I'm not saying they will go public. Haven't heard anything like that. But in the event that they would, I wouldn't see why they wouldn't. But if they go public, that could score you guys a grand slam with your investment. All right, these are some of the fees with Fundrise. That way you guys can see them up front. So remember, this isn't 15%, guys. This is 15% of 1%. All right, so up to 85% of 1%. All right, so essentially this is 15 cents on every $100. So every $100 that you earn with them, they'll be charging you 15 cents right on your money. One thing that's great, and I've definitely used already, is basically the referral program. So every referral program, they offer some type of incentive for you. So basically this one, every time you invite, every successful invitation provides you a waiver of 90 days for the starter, 90 days for the basic, 180 days for the core. So this is where it really starts getting interesting. And then the advanced, 270 days waived, and then 365 days for the premium. I'm pretty sure the premium investors like that because they're saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year of waived fees, all right, for every successful invite. So if they're smart, they'll be at least referring one person per year to be able to waive their fees. All right, guys, I want to show you one more thing before I go, is their track record. Okay, so their track record here, so real-time returns on client accounts. So they have over 200,000 accounts. As you can see here, every little dot here. So this whole blue trend here is an accumulation of accounts. So all these dots, each single dot is an account. And here's displaying the returns after several years of investing with them. So after 1 year, this is the average return is about 7%. After 2 years, 16%. 3 years, 26%. 4 years, 38%. And after 5 years, guys, 5 years, the typical account, so the average is a rate of return of 53%. So that means for every dollar you invested, you got at least 53 cents back already. All right, why not invest with them, guys? All you have to do is just sit back, deposit your money consistently, watch it grow over time, appreciate, and be collecting that little cash flow. So they have the option of also sending the cash flow, so the dividends, to your bank account or to reinvest them. I would reinvest them. Just think of it as lost money, so that your money appreciates over time and you start doing the compound effect. All right, so that means your investment, your initial investment is earning you dividends. Then your dividends, once you receive them and you reinvest them, they'll be earning you dividends. All right, so that's called interest on interest, and that's a very huge wealth building tool. All right, that I've discussed in my previous videos. So why not invest with them, guys? I won't take up much more of your time. The results speak for themselves. If you guys like this content, go ahead and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so I can share my information with as many investors as possible and help them create financial freedom for themselves and their families. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you on the next video.